Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to crochet a simple tulip flower key holder badge jar. This is so pretty to make and very quickly and easily made. For this I took a 5mm hook. You could take the yarn of your choice. For leaves I took a green color yarn. You need to have a ring for attaching the keys. You can pull from top and bottom. This is so cute and quick and easy to make. For this, you need to make a magic ring. After making the magic ring, you need to make a chain 1 and you need to insert 6 single crochets into the magic ring. First single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, sixth single crochet. After inserting 6 single crochets into the magic ring, pull the loop tightly so that the magic ring gets closed, and you need to make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. This is the completion of round 1. Try to use stitch markers to identify the row beginnings and ends, so it will be easy and quick to identify the row ends and beginnings. For round 2, you need to make an increase in each stitch. That is, you need to do 2 single crochets in each stitch. First single crochet into the same stitch, you need to do 1 more single crochets. Like this, you need to do increase in each stitches. You need to repeat this step 6 times. So after completion of round 2, you will be left with 12 single crochet stitches. After completion of round 2, you need to move to round 3. In round 3, you need to do 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, you need to do an increase, that is insert 2 single crochets into the next stitch. You need to repeat this step 6 times, that is 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And in the next stitch, you need to do an increase, that is inserting 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Like this, you need to repeat till the end of round 3, and after completion of round 3, you will be left with 18 single crochets in total. This is the completion of round 3 and moving on to round 4. In round 4 you need to do a single crochet in the first stitch. In the next stitch you need to do an increase, that is inserting 2 single crochets into the same stitch. First single crochet and second crochet into the same stitch. And in the next stitch you need to do 1 single crochet. Like this you need to repeat 6 more times to complete the round 4, and after completion of round 4 you will be left with 24 single crochets in this round. After completion of round 4, let's move to round 5. In round 5, you need to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. In each stitch, you need to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. After completion of round 5, you will be left with 24 single crochets in total. You need to repeat the round 5 step for round 6, round 7, round 8, round 9, round 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Till round 14 you need to insert 1 single crochet in each stitch. Let's meet at round 14. After completion of round 14, let's move to round 15. In round 15, you need to do a slip stitch, and you need to make a chain 1, and you need to skip 1 stitch, and you need to do 5 half double crochets into the next stitch. First half double crochet into the same stitch, second half double crochet into the same stitch, third half double crochet into the same stitch, fourth half double crochet into the same stitch, fifth half double crochet. After doing 5 double crochet, 5 half double crochets into the same stitch, you need to make a chain 1, and you need to skip next stitch, and you need to move to the next stitch. In the next stitch you need to do a slip stitch. You need to repeat 6 times to form the curves at the bottom. That is, you need to do a slip stitch, chain 1, skip 1 chain. In the next chain you need to do 5 half double crochets into the same stitch, chain 1, and you need to skip 1 stitch and into the next stitch you need to do a slip stitch. You need to repeat this till the end of the round 50. Of round 15, you need to cut the yarn tail, fasten off and sew the ends with the help of the yarn needle. Now for leaves you need to take a green color yarn, make a slip stitch and you need to make 50 chain. Chain and with the help of a sewn yarn needle from top to bottom insert and pull it again from bottom to top as shown in the video. With the help of a slip stitch, try to join the two ends with a slip stitch. Two ends with a slip stitch. Chain of. Now let's move for making leaf. For this you need to make a chain of 10. After completion of making a chain of 10 you need to do a slip stitch. One single crochet into the next stitch. Into the next stitch you need to do one half double crochet. Into the next stitch you need to do one double crochet. In the next stitch you need to do one more double crochet. In the next stitch you need to do one double crochet. The next stitch you need to do one half double crochet. In the next stitch you need to do one single crochet. In the next stitch you need to do a slip stitch. Now again you need to make a chain of 10. A chain of 10. slip stitch. In the next stitch you need to do one single crochet. In the next stitch you need to do one half double crochet. In the next stitch you need to do one double crochet. In the next stitch you need to do one double crochet. The next stitch you need to do one half double crochet. In the next stitch you need to do a single crochet. In the next stitch you need to do a slip stitch. The next stitch you need to do a slip stitch.